Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving deep into the latest flagship-level features of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G, a smartphone that exemplifies Xiaomi's commitment to delivering high-end technology at an affordable price, and in an industry where innovation is constant and competition is fierce. Xiaomi continues to push the boundaries by integrating top-tier specifications in a mid-range device. The Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G boasts a groundbreaking 150MP camera that sets a new benchmark for smartphone photography, capturing ultra-high-resolution images with stunning clarity and detail, making it a top choice for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. And complementing this impressive camera system is a robust 6,700 mAh battery, designed to provide exceptional endurance that easily powers a device through a full day of heavy use, whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, while the inclusion of 64W Fast charging technology ensures that you can quickly recharge your phone from 0% to 100% in under an hour, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected at all times. As we explore this device further, it's clear that the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is a testament to Xiaomi's long-standing reputation for offering great value for money, combining powerful hardware with innovative features to satisfy the needs of tech enthusiasts, gamers, and everyday users who demand premium performance without the premium price tag. The smartphone industry is one of the most rapidly evolving markets in the world, and new devices emerge almost every month. But Xiaomi's Redmi Note series has always stood out by consistently delivering high performance, premium build quality, and advanced photography capabilities at competitive prices. And the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is no exception, as it brings together an array of features designed to enhance every aspect of the user experience. From its state-of-the-art 150MP primary camera, capable of capturing breathtaking detail even in low-light conditions thanks to its large 1/1.5-inch sensor and advanced AI-powered imaging algorithms, to its versatile camera setup, which includes additional modules for ultra-wide, telephoto, and macro photography, ensuring that every scenario is covered with professional-grade results. Furthermore, the design and build quality of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is equally impressive, with a sleek, modern aesthetic that features a premium glass and metal construction, a slim profile that belies its powerful internals, and a 6.9-inch OLED display that offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and a Quad HD Plus resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, providing an immersive viewing experience whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games. And the display's 120Hz refresh rate guarantees fluid motion and responsiveness, making every interaction feel smooth and dynamic. In addition to its stunning display and camera capabilities, the performance of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm process that ensures power efficiency and superior performance when handling demanding tasks like high-end gaming, video editing, and intensive multitasking, while the device is supported by 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking and rapid application load times, and comes with 256GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage, with the option to expand further via a microSD card up to 1TB, ensuring that you have ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Connectivity is robust, with support for 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC, so you can enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, smooth streaming, and seamless connections to your accessories. And despite all these high-end features, the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is offered at a fraction of the cost of traditional flagship smartphones, making it an irresistible option for those seeking the best of both worlds, premium performance and affordability. In this comprehensive review, we've explored every facet of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G, from its extraordinary camera system and massive battery capacity to its vibrant OLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and generous storage options, all of which combine to deliver an unparalleled smartphone experience that is designed to meet the demands of modern users. Whether you're an avid photographer, a dedicated gamer, or simply someone looking for a reliable all-rounder, with its blend of innovative features, exceptional performance, and remarkable value for money, the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G is poised to set a new standard in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a complete package that doesn't compromise on any front. Thank you for watching this detailed review and breakdown of the Redmi Note 13 Ultra 5G. If you enjoyed this video and found these insights valuable, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech updates and in-depth reviews. And remember, this is TechVerse, signing off.